Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 41. Quaestio 41. Ubi nam summatim comprehenditur lex moralis? Responsio. Lex moralis summatim comprehenditur in Decalogo. First the question. Where precisely ubi nam, in a summary, summatim, is contained the moral law? Now the answer, responsio. The moral law, in a summary, is contained in the Decalogue, that is, in the Ten Commandments. A very simple question and answer, and the grammar is correspondingly simple. Here is our interrogative. Each one of these questions obviously has to have an interrogative. Ubi nam differs from ubi because it's more precise. Where precisely, where in particular, and then our subject, lex moralis, which is feminine singular and nominative as the subject of comprehenditur. Comprehenditur is from the third conjugation verb, comprehendo, like so, comprehendere, and this is a third singular present indicative passive. So where exactly is the moral law comprehended or summarized carefully, summatim? And this is an adverb obviously formed from the adjective sumus aum, or the noun derived from it, summa. Then the answer, the moral law, in a summary fashion, summatim. So here we have the subject, same, gender, number, case. Notice how this end of the question is often repeated in the beginning of the answer. So feminine singular and nominative. Moralis is an adjective of two endings, as they say. And lex legis is a third declension noun. It's feminine, lex legis. The moral law summarily is contained or comprehended in Decalogo, in the Decalogue. Decalogo from a Greek word, dekalogos, like so, the 10 words, dekalogos, and here it is in the masculine, singular, and ablative. It's an ablative of location, ablativus localis, the object of the preposition in.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.